Today we can create such logo animation tutorial. As you can see, it's so simple and nice, and tutorial gonna be the short. Let's get started. Go to the Adobe Illustrator. We go to your several layers. We have smile, stroke, and outline strokes, which is separated in layers, in different layers, and we have a background here. Okay, what we're gonna do now is to import this file in Adobe After Effects. This is what I have done already, but let's import again. Import file. I have kept these documents here. This is Chatterbox. This is Chatterbox. I import as a composition to keep the layer separated in After Effects, and double click on this composition, and there we go. We have vector files, layer name, source name, yeah. Okay, let's select all of them, right click, and create shapes from vector layer. Great. Now let's delete Chatterbox 2 layers here. Delete. Yeah. What we got is just the simple shape layers. And now what we're gonna do is let's just oh sorry, the order is changed once I exported these vectors. So this is first. Names did not save. Okay, no problem. Let's name it message stroke. Just stroke 1. Stroke 2. Stroke 3. Done. Background. Let's do it faster. And smile. Yeah, when I press this layer, it's gonna select just this one, but now we have the whole layer size. So I'm gonna scroll down here and let's check what we got here. Oh, this is background. Sorry, this is background. Background. Yeah, this is mine. Go to the content and delete group 1 and merge files. This is good. Okay. Let's put these strokes on top of the message stroke, and let's do such things. Let's attach this message button to smile and attach these strokes to message stroke. Cool. Let's attach smile to message stroke. Let's make it none and attach smile to message stroke. Yeah, great. So I would like to get this anchor point here for this stroke, message stroke layer. Let's put it down. Let's turn off these layers and leave smile and message stroke. Now let's press S on the keyboard, which shows the scale parameters, and turn on the stopwatch here to create a keyframe. And yeah, this is so long timeline. Command K on the keyboard and change this to 00 because I had so long timeline. We don't need it for this animation. Here we can do 0. It's gonna be 6 seconds now. Yeah, cool. Yeah, let's do it again. Press, go maybe 1 second, and press 0. Yeah, as you can see, it's growing really slow, but let's press F9, select all of these keyframes and press F9. Yeah, now let's change the speed graph like this. Yeah, like this. Nice, but I think it's so slow. Let's make it faster. Or maybe we don't need to decrease the scale to 0. Maybe we need 50 here. Yeah, nice. What we need again is to create trim path animation for the stroke here. Let's select normal mouth tool, and what's the name of this selection tool? Yeah, cool. And go to the trim path and let's play on the end option, decrease it to 26, press stopwatch and decrease that, increase that to, yeah, what I'm doing here is yeah, I think it has to be 26 as well. Yeah, cool. So let's select this stopwatch here to create keyframe. Let's do it like this. Let's start it from the 0 second and go to the 15th frame. Let's make it, no, let's make it 100, and this make like this. What we got now is this. Yeah, cool. F9. Let's change the speed graph again. Nice, that's perfect. But now I would like to add rotation to give it like a bouncy effect. So press R on the keyboard and select the stopwatch. Press the stopwatch here. Create keyframe. Go back. Let's make it around 12 maybe, or 15. 15 is better. Go to the right, make it -4. Yeah, nice. Then go and make it 2, and then 1, no, 0. it gives like a bouncy effect. Okay, press F9. Cool. Nice. Okay, that's nice. Now we need to animate smile. Let me check how I did it. Oh yeah, cool. Okay, let's do the same thing for that. When it's growing, let's make the path animation. Select the stopwatch here. Yeah, keep that original path. Then go to here and change the shape a little bit. Like this. Command C, Command V to keep this original shape. But here, let's make it like this to give it more smiley expression, okay? Yeah, like this. Great. F9. Like this. But I'd like to make it more long here, this part, like it's smiling a little bit longer, so we can do it with split graph editor like this. Yeah. This shape would be kept for a long time, okay? Yeah, like this. From this point, let's use scale like this. 0. F9. I think we have to put this up a little bit, like this is the head, imagine, and when you put up the mouse, it's gives the feeling like he turn up his head. Okay, cool. Here in original animation, which I did, we have a position animation. Let's observe here. Just a minute. Yeah, as you can see, I have a position as well. So let's add position and like start from this, press position, but what we need to do is save the final position. Okay, press U to show everything what we have here, press again to create keyframe, and now we can go down like this. Oh, great. Looks great. Okay. At this part have to be more like this. Yeah. Press F9. Select all of them and press F9 to make it ease. Oh, it's too much, I think. It's too much. But decrease the height. Sorry, just select just one keyframe. Yeah. Nice. And now we have to animate these strokes here, which is really easy. Let's start with stroke 1. We have to animate here scale and opacity. Press U. We have these keyframes here, and let's start with 0 opacity. Then it goes like maybe 20 or maybe more, 40. Yeah, and then goes again to 0. Scale, let's make 110 like this, and here maybe 95. I think this opacity have to be 60 because it's not clear here. It happens so fast. But we can increase the timeline for this animation. Cool. We can increase again. It happens so fast. Cool. It's nice. Let's do the same for another parts. Let's copy these keyframes, and after 4 frame, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, copy these keyframes here. And let's do the same for third stroke, like this. That's all. Great. Thank you for watching, guys.